Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting lettering video for you. I'll be using my favorite Doms Brushpen to write 3 inspiring quotes. So grab your pens and let's get started. First up, I'm going to write wake up with a positive thought using the black brush pen. This quote is a great reminder to start your day with positivity. Let's write in together in real time. So here we have our complete lettering quote. I hope you like it. If yes, then do let me know which one is your favorite among these 3. Next, I'll be using the blue and teal brush pen to write, Insha Allah, your sadness will turn into happiness. I'll be speeding up this part of the video as the downstrokes are thick from the top and narrow from the bottom, which is a bit different from my usual style. Let's see how it turns out. For the final quote, I'm going to write do what you love using the black brush pen again. This will be in real time so you can write along with me. I find it important to have some parts in normal speed so you can practice at your own pace. And there you have it, 3 beautiful quotes written with the Doms brush pen. I hope you enjoyed lettering along with me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more lettering tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.